Ford Focus ST. I am doing a battery replacement tutorial video. The battery is over here. But before we begin, this again is a Ford Focus ST. So the battery is right here. Take the cover off. A 10mm is what we're going to be using the most. This battery's under the cowl, but we're going to slide it out to remove it. Let's start with the tools we need. 10mm socket, 10mm wrench. Let's start with the negative terminal. 10mm wrench. Loosen the nut on the battery terminal clamp. You don't have to remove it completely, but get it mostly loose. Wiggle and shake the clamp until it becomes loose and remove it. It may be stubborn. If there's any corrosion on the terminal clamp, make sure to clean it off before putting on new battery. Now remove the positive clamp. Also a 10mm nut. I loosened it. Once the nut is loose, wiggle carefully and remove the positive clamp. Now remove the 10mm nuts on the left and right side of battery hold down. Put nuts somewhere safe. Now remove hold down bracket, set aside in a safe spot. Remove negative cable and pull to the side, out of the way. Now we're going to remove the battery. It is a tight fit. Tilt it upwards and slide it out. This battery is a little difficult to remove, but it is possible without removing the windshield cowl. Be careful not to hurt your fingers or hands. Once battery is removed, clean battery clamps if necessary. Here is a tool I use, a battery cleaning tool. I will link some below. Clean inside of clamp where connection is made. Here's new battery. Make sure terminals match up and battery is the same height and size. I will link a battery below. Now let's install the battery. Carefully dive battery into opening. Slight movement of the windshield cowl may be necessary to make room. Battery should fall into comfortable spot. Once battery is in, remove any terminal protective covers. Start with installing positive clamp first. Make sure negative doesn't arc on frame. Tighten 10mm nut on positive clamp. Snug plus quarter turn. Remove any cover on negative terminal and install negative terminal clamp. Push down as far as you can. Tighten negative clamp nut. Snug plus quarter turn. Route wires behind battery bracket. Install battery hold down bracket. Install 10mm nuts onto battery hold down bracket and tighten to snug fit. Now let's install the cover. Push the cover over the battery and gently push down on each side. Cover should snap into place and lock. Now inside the car, start the car and let the engine run for 5 minutes. Window reset may be required for automatic windows. Hold window switch up. Roll window all the way up and hold switch for 5 seconds. After holding for 5 seconds, automatic feature should work when rolling down or up. Do this for every. That's it, everyone. Thank you for watching. Hope this video helped you out.
Alright guys, that's all the information I got for you. The rest of the video is just some products and other stuff I got going on. Totally up to you if you want to stick around. I got a 15% off promo code for AUXITO.com. They got a handful of products, but what they're mostly known for is their really good aftermarket LED headlights. They've been out a few years now, and at first the lights they had were 200% brighter than regular headlight bulbs. Now they've upgraded the tech this year, and now it's 600% brighter. So if you're in the boonies, the suburbs, the city, I highly recommend you upgrade your bulbs. Nothing wrong with having an old car, but you should get with the times and have bright headlights like everyone else. These bulbs are available on Amazon. However, if you go to the AUXITO website, that's where I could give you a promo code for 15% off. All you got to do is go to the website, type in your year, make, and model. There's basically products for every car out there, and what kind of light you want. They have all kinds of different lights for interior, exterior, headlights. And then you just browse to what you need and you get it, and then at checkout you're going to type in GearmoAuto and then hit apply in the coupon code spot, and it'll take 15% off.